Good morning, students. Today I continue my second chapter, the topic comparing the three sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. By the help of two sectors, firm and household can make up final goods and intermediate goods. In the previous class, I was discuss about the final goods and intermediate goods. In our country, only final goods and services are counted as a GDP. The value of final goods always included the value of all the intermediate goods, because intermediate goods that are used in making the final goods. It is very important to know about the total value of the goods and services are to be calculated, so the market value of the all the final goods and services produced in the country during a period of 1 year is called GDP. Therefore, the sum of total production by the help of three sectors are called gross domestic product of a country. It is the calculation within the country in an accounting year. It is very difficult task to measuring the GDP by central government, because the government collect the information relating to total volume of goods and their prices from different government departments, and then he estimates the GDP. Now, there is historical change in between the sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. We know that all these three sectors are very important to calculate the GDP in an accounting year during an financial year in our country. Now there is historical changes because the farming methods has been changes by multiple cropping, new techniques, new methods, modern farming. So many people take up another activities such as craft person, transporters, traders, non-farming, etc. In secondary sector also changes their methods of manufacturing system, producing system. They uses new methods of technology, new techniques to produce the final goods and services in our country. So over a long period, by the help of new techniques, those people who had earlier worked on a farm or non-farming or farming, now they begin to work in the industries or firm. There has been further shift from secondary sector to primary sector to secondary sector in developed countries as well as in India, in our country. So that is the status of the different sectors: primary sectors, secondary sector, and tertiary sector.